Well, hello again, everybody. Welcome back to the Run Dat Dog educational channel. Today, for those of you who have never seen it, here is a fireworks barge. So when you see the fireworks coming off on your favorite holiday from just off into the sea, that's what the barge looks like. You got all those tubes, so you put all the black powder in there, wire it all up remotely. It's all remote controlled. They can control everything about the fireworks display, the timing, all dependent on how they load those barrels. Not barrels, those tubes, I mean. And that's it. All right, this concludes your daily Run Dat Dog educational channel.